Hello everyone, welcome to Spider e-learning. In this video, we will see how we can make use of right click menu, and one by one we will discuss all the features mentioned here. So quickly let's get started. In order to open the right click menu, I need to right click on the chart and here the menu appears. So we will go through the first feature which says C is the shortcut, and it says script by name. So if I'll click here, this window pops up. Here I can plot any single script in NSC cache. If I wish, I can change the exchange also, but by default it comes up for the cache scripts. Let's say I want to open Reliance chart. I will type REL here and hit enter. Here's the list of stocks starting from REL. So I'll click on the Reliance again. OK, there we are. We have a Reliance chart here. After this, we'll move on to the next feature. Right click on the chart and click on script by name, NSE derivative, and the shortcut for this is F. If you click here, the window will pop up. Here we have the list of FNO stocks. In this drop down, I can just type in a name. Let's say I want TCS. T, just type here, and there we are. Click on TCS. You can select the future charts, or let's say I want to open a particular call strike or put strike. I'll click here, choose the strike, choose the expiry you want. Okay, we want the current one only, and okay, there we are. There we have a derivative chart. Same way we can open a put chart also by choosing the underlying script, strike, and expiry, then okay. After this, select from group. Let's say if we have an active group here, then this feature will be active. Let's say I want to open, I'll type G here, use this drop down, exchange defined NSE, Nifty 50, Adani Enterprises. Okay, there we have a stock here. Now you can see this feature has been activated. So here I can see the active group is Nifty 50 group. So after this, let's say script from after this, we'll choose script from other exchange. Currently we are on NSC chart of Adani Enterprises, but if I want to see the BSC chart, I'll click here. Here we have a BSC chart of Adani Enterprises. After this, there we have active group. We can change the group from here. In order to change the period, we have this menu. We can just select the time frame we want to see. Currently we are on daily. I'll click here for the weekly, and the shortcut M. We can use these shortcuts directly on the keyboard, or we can just use the right click menu. This is quarterly. We'll come back to daily now. So after this is corporate information. I'll click here. I'll have all the basic informations of the active script which is there on the chart, okay, when they have given any dividend announced or any fundamental corporate activity happened, bonus rights, you can see split. So this all you can see here. So in upcoming videos we will discuss the next features on the right click menu. So that's it for now. Keep learning, keep earning.